and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. We are making our way through unboxing the Sallie Tomato Co gifts. So we are on day 10 and this little box says, "So delightful, save for day 11, which is tomorrow." So let's open up this box. Okay, so here we have some special zippers with brand new zipper pulls that go along with our Sallie Tomato Co box theme. So here we have our classic white zipper tape with nickel coil, and your coil colors and zipper pull colors might vary. There are a variety of coil colors or hardware colors throughout the gifts and throughout the boxes. That way you have a nice variety and selection for each box. So today's gift includes a size number 3 zipper and also a size number 5 zipper. So you can see the difference in the width of the coil as well as the width of the zipper tape. So the size number 3 is great for interior zippers such as zipper pockets or small pouches. And then the number 5 is just our classic handbag size. It's a great size for exterior zippers and exterior pockets or even interior pockets. So here you get to try out both sizes of zippers to see which one you like. Then also on our size number 5 zipper that we included in your box, we have our brand new exclusive designed lock and key zipper pulls. These are so fun. They go perfect with our theme for the robin egg blue. I hope you like them, and tomorrow's project is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait for you to see the pattern reveal. So I'll see you then.